Hey guys, it's Sanal from Our Rich Journey, and today I'm going to be answering money questions in under 1 minute. Today's question is, what is a CD? A CD is a certificate of deposit. You can get a CD at your local bank. With a CD, you keep your money in the bank for a certain amount of time in exchange for a higher interest rate. Usually you can get a higher interest rate with a CD than with a savings account. This depends on the terms of your CD. It can range from 6 months to 5 years or even more. Once your CD matures, meaning your term has ended, you can collect your principal balance and interest from the bank. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. You have to leave your money with the bank until the CD matures. If you withdraw your money before it matures, you'll have to pay a penalty. This can include a loss of interest and a portion of your principal balance. So that's it, under 1 minute. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey.